The Islamic Revolution and the progress of Iran. 10 Iran scientific achievements after the revolution. The second country with the stealth-drawn technology. The third rank in dam construction in the world. The eighth country with a complete space technology. The fourth place in the production of infertility science. The eighth country with nuclear technology. The sixth country producing submarines. The third country with the technology to build solar power plants. The fourth country in the production of nanoscience. The first country to produce herbal medicine for the treatment of AIDS. The first manufacturer ballistic missiles in the West Asian region. It is very obvious to international observers that Iran today is different from Iran 40 years ago in a massive way. We were a doomed and backward country, subject to the orders of this and that power. But today, we are an influential, effective country on the path of scientific and political power, and this is quite noticeable. Our enemies are upset and angry about this. But according to the late Mr. Beheshti, be angry and die of this anger.